Amid growing economic uncertainties, global economic growth for next year is expected to slow down compared to this year. The U.S. Federal Reserve is expected to continue its monetary tightening, although the pace might slow down. However, some experts say there are still some positives that the world can look forward to in 2023. Our Shin Ha-young reports.
World economic growth outlooks are facing growing uncertainty due to geopolitical risks and soaring inflation. The OECD projects the world economy to grow 2.2% next year. The International Monetary Fund has also forecast that the global GDP growth will slow from this year's 3.2% to 2.7%. Amid declining demand, it also downgraded the growth in global trade volume to 2.5%, down by 1.9 percentage points from its previous estimation. If 2022 was a year of aggressive monetary tightening from central banks to tame soaring inflation, experts forecast that 2023 will be a year where the global economy will suffer from the aftermath.
As central banks around the world have been focusing on their own inflation rather than economic growth, interest rates are less likely to drop. Currently, household debt and corporate debt have been increasing, leading them to suffer or possibly even go bankrupt next year.
The U.S. Federal Reserve has recently slowed its rate hike. However, it has hinted that rates could top 5% next year, saying that more work is needed in terms of price stability. One professor pinpointed inflation in the U.S. as being the one to keep tabs on as it impacts global monetary policy as a whole. Also, higher inflation in the U.S. could raise the cost of imports. However, there are still some positives the world can look forward to regarding the economy.
Prices of crude oil and other raw materials have been decreasing as demand drops under the global economic slowdown. This could bring down inflation in the US, leading to an end of rate hikes and helping the world economy recover.
He also said that the COVID-19 situation in China will be crucial after it reopened its borders and scrapped its strict quarantine measures, and that it will likely boost global demand like consumer spending, corporate investment, and exports. Shin Ha-young, Arirang News.